Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. Let us see a term called pattern recognition in this session. Pattern is everything around in this digital world. A pattern can either seen physically or it can be observed mathematically by applying algorithms. Example, the colors on the cloths, speech is pattern, etc. In computer science, a pattern is represented using vector future values. Pattern recognition is the process of recognizing patterns by using a machine learning algorithm. Pattern recognition can be defined as the classification of data based on the knowledge already gained or on statistical information extracted from patterns and or their representation. One of the important aspects of pattern recognition is its application potential. Example, speech recognition, speaker identification, multimedia document recognition, MDR, automatic medical diagnosis. In a typical pattern recognition application, the raw data is processed and converted into a form that is amenable for machine to use. Pattern recognition involves the classification and cluster of pattern. In classification, an appropriate class label is assigned to a pattern based on an abstraction that is generated using a set of training pattern or domain knowledge. Classification is used in supervised learning. Clustering generated a partition of data which helps in decision making, the specific decision making activity of interest to us. Clustering is used in unsupervised learning. Features may be represented as continuous, discrete, or discrete binary variables. A feature is a function of one or more measurement computed so that it quantifies some significant characteristic of an object. Example, consider our face, then eyes, ears, nose, etc. are the features of the face. A set of features that are taken together forms a feature vector. Example, in the above example of a face, if all the features eyes, ears, nose, etc. are taken together, then the sequence is a feature vectors. Okay, the feature vector is the sequence of feature represented as a d-dimensional column vector. In the case of speech, MFCC, Mel frequency coefficient, is the spectral feature of the speech. The sequence of first 13 features form the feature vector. Thanks for watching. Bye.